Today we will be doing the Robotics Meritbage, Requirement 2. So let's get started. And I'm Kevin Mullin from Crew 314 and part of Hereford Robotics. Part 1 is what robots do and how they are used today. That is explained with the 4 Ds of robotics. They are dangerous, dirty, dull, difficult. Here are some examples. The Throwbot is used for surveillance by police so they don't have to enter dangerous environments. The Throwbot is a hammer-shaped robot that police throw into dangerous areas before they go into them. The Sewer is used so people won't have to inspect sewers themselves. I know I wouldn't want to. Robots are also good at repetitive tasks, like the Delta Teu robot is. Finally, robots are also great at precise movements and never get tired. That's why the Da Vinci robot is such a good remote surgeon. Next we'll talk about the different types of robots. The first is remote controlled. This is me driving my Vex robot, which can also be remote controlled. This is me driving my FarmBot, which is made from a Vex processor controlling Power Wheels Jeep motors, which makes a large tricycle car. It was originally made to move wood, but we just play with it now. For example, for telerobots, we have a rover outside to show, and the difference between remote control and telerobotics is you don't have to be within line of sight for telerobots, and you can be across the world, but we just happen to be right outside. So let's go see the rover. Rover and drive around. This is my brothers piloting drones on the other side of the world. Just kidding, it's a simulator, but it's what the real pilots use to practice driving drones. Finally, autonomous robots are pre-programmed with code, so no one needs to control it. Check out these RC combat tanks that we saw at Robot Fest. Their wheels and tracks make them very maneuverable. But robots move by more than wheels and tracks. This is a legged robot I made using a Lego Mindstorm. And recently my troop got to tour an unmanned vehicle expo where we got to see many robots that fly, including the Scan Eagle that is used for surveillance. And there were also some robot helicopters at the show. And some robots swim, like this Sea Perch competition robot. Some even slither, like the Titanoboa that we saw at the US STEM Festival. But wheeled robots are very efficient and easy to make. So let's recap what we've learned today in the Robotics Meritbage. Robots are good at jobs that are dangerous, dull, dirty, and difficult. Robots can fly, swim, slither, walk, roll, or drive. And there's lots of other things they can do too. Robots can be remote controlled, teleoperated, or autonomous. And most importantly, I hope you've learned that robots are cool. Here I am operating one of the first robots I ever drove, the Army's bomb removal robot. Thanks for watching. This is Kevin Mullin of Crew 314. See you on the robotics field.